Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's get into the video. Alright, so if you go to your Wizard Watch, you might see a post saying that you have pet gear now. This is not out for everyone, it is in beta. Apparently the Wizard Watch post has disappeared for me now. But that is probably because when you do look at the Wizard Watch post, you can claim some pet armor after that. But let's go ahead and head to our pet book where we can look at our pets with pet armor on. So here we are in the pet book, and as you can see, next to some of the pets there is a hat and tie, and we can scroll down. So some pets aren't yet able to do it, like Luminex. I assume the crystal monsters are never going to get that. Chillin' Shark can't, Shiver Tusk can't, and Ivory Chop can't, and Melody Dreamlet and Painter Sprite can't. So not every pet can do it yet, but some can. So let's go ahead and look at Regalaxy, and these. We'll look at the 3 armor that I already have, and then I'll tell you how you can get some more armor. So here is our relic. It's a key, and we will load in here. The game is being very laggy right now. So this is called the Ancient Key, and it gives a power bonus of 28. It's uncommon, and it says, I wonder what lock this opens. Probably nothing. And then we have some hats. We have the Sheriff's hat, which a little shade for High Noon, heart bonus of 32, and then a hat putting the wrist on your pet, and this gives a heart bonus of 12. So I assume that hats are the only, gives hearts. I forgot to look at what relics do. They do power. So there is a way that you can get pet armor, and that is by doing a battle. I've only done 1 battle, so I don't know how many it's going to take to get some. But let's just do a few battles and see if we get any. So I have done a few battles now, and I have not gotten any. It might be a little rarer than I think it is. I have no idea what the drop rates on it are. But I do know you do get them from battles. I saw that in the CDN, and somebody confirmed it on the Prodigy wiki. And one last thing that I want to point out before finishing up the video is that Mythical Epics cannot yet wear pet gear. So we are going to go ahead and go back to our pet gear. We are getting a massive lag spike right now. So if we go ahead and look at Lavama, it will just say that coming soon, this pet can not wear gear yet. So Mythical Epics can't wear gear yet. I already showed you some of the pets that can't wear pet gear yet. Also, a bunch of pets were upgraded to HD today, I believe. I have no idea which ones they were though. But yeah, overall I think this is a pretty cool update. I do have a video idea that I can do with this, so that's fun. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.